Morning, babes. How you doing this morning, babes? Oh, babes, you look so cute in your pajamas. Good morning, everybody, from myself, my half-finished makeup and my half-drunk coffee, which it's a really good one today. You know when you get the ratio of coffee to milk to banana drops right? If you haven't noticed by how wonderfully lit my little orb head is, summer has come to London and I am going to be milking it, whacking out all the summer dresses. The Crocs are making an appearance in every single outfit. Actually having quite a lot of skin struggles at the moment. I think I had an allergic reaction to something on my face, so not feeling the most cute ever, but there's also worse things going on in the world than having a bit of an itchy face, you know what I mean? I'm also just about to place the cutest order on ASOS. Oh my gosh, all of these colors at the moment I'm just obsessed. And these shoes, I've got them in a pink, some beautiful green lens sunglasses, some belly chains. This top is definitely something I could see Liv and Evie wearing, and this, which there's a vision there, but whether the vision can be executed or whether I will look like I've been wrapped up in a multicolored bin bag are two very different things. Achoo! I'm running late. I did my hair with the new Molly May hair thing as well, actually, and I really like the way it came out. I love doing a bouncy blow. I've also put a few rings on. Bury me with a hair bubble on my wrist, I swear. I've also put a few rings on. I got gifted these ones recently from a little brand called Ilaria, and I actually also, oh my god, also got gifted these ones. These are Isabel display, and then I just have a couple of little gold Isabel display hoops on. Okay, I'm running so late. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I feel like we do this every single video, but let's check the temperature today in Flossie's room. Do you know what? Not as bad as it's been before. A whopping 31.5 degrees. Don't put me on a plane because I'm already in Ibiza. Seeing as it is our first day into summer, or I'm declaring it the first day of summer, I'm really enjoying pink recently. Like, I want pink everything. Pink and green together. Ooh, this dress is from ASOS. It's just like a little Nike bodycon dress. It's so comfy, so stretchy. The hoops I've got in are also Isabel display. I've got my outfit on with my Crocs and a very, very special new addition. I literally love her so much. This is a little special bag I got myself recently. It's from The Real. The green and pink. Spring vibrations.
She gon' pop it open, she gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, damn, I still feel poor.
White Claws, because we bring the LA to London. Olivia, what did you get?
Strawberries, White Claws and pop chips, barbecue, and I'm not a barbecue girl.
I got some carrots, some guac, some mango and strawberries, some hummus chips, got a Greek salad which so kindly leaked everywhere in my bag, and loads of White Claws because I'm going crazy. It's a hot girl spring.
That chocolate cake, that sound like the perfect day. She gon' pop it open.
Lewis just threw a full-on football at Olivia's face.
She gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, damn, I still feel poor.
Smile.
Sushi,
Tuesdays for the girls.
Even creme brulee, icing on that chocolate cake, that sound like...
Wait. Hey guys, Olivia here. We are all in the same amount. I think we've had 4 White Claws, and Flossie, obviously she's a wee light bit, our wee girl, she's a wee bit drunk, 4:05,
and I'm ready to go to rain.
It's 20 degrees at 7 p.m. We can stay out here for a long time.
Yeah, it is.
My thighs are getting burnt, they're red raw.
You can get at the crib or you can keep on dissing me. I don't really care, cause I'm
We're here now with Millie, Kami and Spencer because obviously new rule of 6, we're allowed to meet up outside for socially distanced picnic.
on my dinner plate, eating creme brulee, icing on that chocolate cake. That sound like a perfect day. She gon' pop it open, she gon' make it pour. Even though
I want a lemonade.
5 White Claws in. Lewis is signing out for the day.
sushi on my dinner plate.
He's not alive, like he's not alive. Olivia, Lewis, or future Flossie. I don't know who put this next to my bed, but thank you. Whoa, the morning voice is in full swing, and so is my headache. Next, morning vibes. Actually, Jill, maybe I'm not ready to face the morning yet. Goodbye, good night. I've also woken up my foot. Look at my foot, it is so swollen and so bruised. No, I could really be doing without this today. I could be a slob and do my usual hangover routine, which is just lie in bed for another few hours, regret everything and feel sorry for myself. But today, just for you guys, just for the vlog, I'm going full X Games mode, hangover recovery. Place your bets in the comments now whether I'll yak or not. Just a quick pan of the current flat situation. God, you know you're desperate for drink when you bring red wine out. Fire in the hole. Oh, Rachel Leary playing in the background. Yay! Still, oh no, I was actually just waiting for it to focus, but he died. First step of the day, coffee. What did we even do? Oh my god, my IMG order. I must have picked that up yesterday. I'll show you that later. Very exciting. Because I like to be a raging psychopath in the mornings, I actually have 4 shots. 4. And then I put some of the ice straight into the brewed coffee. I grabbed some banana drops. Of course, it's basically summer, so I'm back on my banana latte high. I had about 6 of these. Asking for a death wish. Put some other ice in my Dunkin' cup. If you guys still have the Starbucks ones, I'm really sorry to break it to you, but these are where it's at. Then you grab your almond milk, and it's at this point, if you still drink cow's milk, you reevaluate everything. Get your coffee. She's not the prettiest because you can't actually see anything that's going on, but you do get to see a beautiful pink Dunkin' cup. Yes, I agree. We are in the bathroom. I have a clean dressing gown here, clean towels. Ooh, a satin one. No, it's not a satin kind of day. My insides are rotting. I need some comfort in the form of fleece. Oh, you're going for a shower without me? Give yourself a kiss, self-love. You may be hungover, babes, but you're still so sexy. Okay, kiss. Okay, maybe I'm okay now. I had a shower, washed my face about 100,000 times. If anyone's caring about a rash update, it's kind of clearing. A shower really does just knock it out of you. Don't get me wrong, it was a lot to commit to going in, but I'm so glad I did. I honestly feel so much better. I was just lurking in the fridge, as one does, and I found a golden turmeric shot. And if a turmeric shot isn't going to sort me out right now, I don't think anything will. Look at the size of these cookies.
They're called chunk cookies and they're made in Leeds.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Tastes like curry. I'm gonna make my tongue go yellow.
Turmeric lattes make my tongue go yellow. Do you feel revitalized?
I feel like I'm shaking. Oh, babe. God! You're shit. This.
I'm seeing a bit later.
It's sweet, it's endearing. Hi, bet you thought you got rid of me for 5 minutes. I've been buying some things recently. First up, most exciting, I treated myself and did a little order on IMG. First thing I got was this corset top, and this actually came with matching white underwear, but I actually wore it yesterday, so I don't think that's appropriate to show right now. I think this was the biggest strip off ever.
Rip off?
Yeah.
Why?
Shit. It's just the quality of this is just not there. And it's expensive. And I put it on and Lewis was like, that's IMG. And I was like, yeah. He was like, it looks like PLT. Look at these straps. These are stretchy straps. These shouldn't be stretchy. These should be hard bra straps. It doesn't radiate. I'm expensive. And it was expensive. And then the next thing I got is gonna be really hard to show you. And if you thought you were getting a try on haul, I'm really, really sorry, but that was a lot to be asking for in the current state and condition that I'm in. I got this dress, but it comes with a belly chain as well. Now, I obviously got this order last night and I was drunk when I got it and I did try it on, and I do think I've snapped the belly chain.
It's not ideal.
It's not ideal. My eyes are still so swollen as well, by the way. I need like a jade roller on my eyeballs.
Oh, I've only had some cucumber.
If only I was on Fenty Beauty's PR. Look at them. I literally can't
Use it on your eyes.
open them. Yes, please. I don't know why they're so swollen. Has anyone else seen as well on the new iPhones? They get the FaceTime and it makes your eyes go really big, really round, and look really weird on FaceTime. It's horrible. I look like that right now.
Gosh, they're all red. But like, it almost looks like hay fever.
Yeah.
My brother gets like rashy, puffy eyes whenever it's pollen season.
So you think my eyes are rashy and puffy?
Yeah. Does this make it feel any better?
It feels great.
Good, right?
I actually do think it's worked a bit.
I think it's, I really want this on my channel, and I'm like, oh, I spilled some chocolate on me.
Oh, babe. Next IMG piece I got is this. Woo! So cute. It's this little like white singlet top. I got a stain on this last night and it didn't come out in the wash. And these singlets are like 500 quid for one. Okay, we won't be talking about that. I then also got an underwear set. It's basically, obviously I'm not going to show you.
Why?
Still got the facilities, babes.
Gosh.
I know, isn't it so cute? Got a cute little bow and it's like strappy, and then I've got the matching bra on now actually, and it's just like a plain red triangle bra, but then it's got these little bits that come down here, and then it's just got a little dangly Gia bra.
Raw, that's my backy.
Raw, it's a proper dirty one.
Alexa, play Den Boys Pagan by J Hart.
Den Boy Pagan by J Hart.
Everything hurts. Next thing I got is Anna's Skinny Dip collection. She's just come out with a new Skinny Dip collection. Obviously, because I am me, I unpackaged this last night when I was ever so slightly intoxicated, so it is kind of scattered everywhere, but I think I've managed to find everything and put it back in the box. She's got this beautiful makeup bag, which is such a nice, big, convenient. How fucking convenient. Size. Really enjoying it, and it's got tits and ass all over it. Lewis will love this one. And then we've got another tits and ass phone case. And then we've got this little top that says handle with care. There is also a hoodie. I got a hoodie with like a barcode on it. Put it on last night when we got in, along with everything else clearly. I do this really weird thing when I've had a few drinks that I just outfit change like so many times. And then there's also a little candle in here. We've actually got one of them out already. And then a personalized luggage tag. And that has also just made me realize that this is Olivia's box and not mine. Is
it?
Yeah, because it says ON.
Oh, can I have my luggage tag?
Yeah, here's my, this one will be my luggage tag then. I think, did I just pass you
love
the
the
right
nicest
one?
thing.
I literally think that's so nice. Look at that little FC, so cute.
Congratulations, Anna.
Congratulations, Anna. And then I also got sent loads of wrap and vegan mayonnaise and spinach and olives and vegan cheese. Look at the colour of these wraps, wow. From Garnier, so thank you so much, Garnier. That is so exciting and so kind of you, and I'm definitely going to be making myself a wrap and hope that I don't yak it.
No.
I wanna put my arms around you, girl, and never let you go. Whoa.
Here's what she could say.
Mission cleaning the living room has been please, I can't deal with this today. Living room is looking good, however my bedroom still is not. Aren't I just such a kind, charitable soul, prioritizing the communal living spaces over my own? Or am I just lazy? I need to clean my bedroom. I've also got a peach kombucha. If a kombucha and a health shot don't sort me out, then Whole Foods is a lie and I'm filing a lawsuit. If you don't know where something belongs, under the bed. It belongs under the bed now. Oh shit, I just knocked something over. And we're done. A kind of half-assed cleaning job, but better than nothing. And on that note, babe, it's over and out from me today. I'm watching some YouTube and I'm gonna feel sorry for myself for the next 24 hours. In the viewfinder, this looked like a beer then, and just the thought of tipping beer into my mouth is a big fat no right now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope it's sunny wherever you are. I hope you were able to go out and have a picnic with your friends if you were able to. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next YouTube video. Goodbye kisses from Pablo. My camera's flashing.